Hey there, it's Sharif and I'm a postgraduate student. And as a business management student, today I'm very excited to walk you around Pingfeng campus in ZGUT. And here at School of Management building, this is where we spend most of our time attending classes, seminars, engaging in collaborative projects. And finally, here we learn from experienced professors and connect with fellow students who share the same interest and passion. And guess what? Here in ZGUT, there is like a plenty of spots where you can enjoy yourself, grab a coffee, with enjoying your space beside.
Are you also a football fan like me? Then you're gonna love this football ground of Zjut so much. It is so beautiful and huge as it is surrounded by the mountains and hills. Currently, I am standing in front of the cricket stadium of Zjut, and you won't believe this is the only one cricket stadium of whole Hangzhou. All the cricket matches of Hangzhou Asian Games had been held in this stadium, and people were so impressed by the beauty of this stadium, and I'm sure you are bound to be too.
This is our IO office, standing for International Office, where international students can come for a consultation with their supervisors and some teaching support. Including other facilities, there's this coffee shop where students can come to relax and study. As you can see here, this is a mall where students can stick their nose and thaw. And that's what we're gonna do now. So this is the 5th floor of the International College, where all the bureaus for the supervisor and teachers are here so students can come and check.
Hello everyone, my name is Yazid, and here you can find a lot of interesting buildings such as the Computer Science Building, the Information Technology Building, and so on. And as you can see here, there is the status of the university that showcases the key. So let's have a walk and let's check more about this part. Let's go. This place exactly is one of the most important and vital places for international students, because here you're gonna spend most of your time. That's due to the fact that, as you can see there is the international building dorm, here where the international students studies. And next to it exactly, there is the canteen where they provide a lot of food such as Chinese food, the Muslim food, the halal food, etc. And now, let's have a walk and let's see more about this place.
Hello guys, my name is Miguel Garcia, I'm from Brazil, and now we're going to show one of the ZGUT canteens. ZGUT has 2 canteens, one of them is for halal food for Muslim people. This one is a traditional one, they have 3 floors, and now we'll take a quick look at the restaurants they have and the facilities we have here. Come on.
Oh, you're still here. Alright, let me take you inside the library and check it out what's really we can get from inside. Let's go. Here you go. Here you will find a bunch of books, online database, journals, everything just made to boost your study journey in ZGUT. Interesting, isn't it? Come and check it out. Waiting for you.